Hello, Lily Quinn here. How are you? Today I'm going to take you through a quick tutorial on how to edit and set up embroidery design. I'm going to show you a quick look at my embroidery machine. Okay, so here we go. You can see this design right here. Okay, and you have my fabric and the hoop. Everything is set, and I am ready to stitch this. However, I'm going to take it off, and I am going to show you the process that I took. So I'm going backwards, and I'm going to say yes, cancel design. All right, so I start off. Hopefully you can see. No, this thing is not. Okay, I start off by picking a design, and actually there's a lot of designs in this thing. And if you want to know, how to navigate the design, there's this navigation arrows over here, these two. So I can just move them around, and you see the different designs coming through. Okay, and so I decide, okay, I decide on this one. This is interesting. I realize it's a bow and it has a space for name. So I decide to set that and then add a design. So I go to my fonts and I pick this one to write my name. I go on to pick small lettering, L, I, L, and Y. Okay, so I set that, and that's my name, but it's a little too big, so I want to make it smaller so it can fit into the space over there. So I go to size, and I take a medium because it was large. So this is medium, and it fits perfectly. I like the way it's sitting there. I'm not going to do anything else. If I wanted it to go even smaller, then I can choose that. If I want it bigger, then I can choose that. Okay, so that's it. Let me make it slightly smaller. And okay, and then edit end, and I am ready to sew. And when I press embroidery, it is ready to sew. However, you can see I still have a red button here, and so I will lower the presser foot and it changes to green. And I need to change the color. The color that I put in originally is red. And when you look here, is the yellow that sews first. So I'm going to have to change and put a yellow there. And after that, I will bring you to see how I do the change, okay? And then we'll continue to the stitching. Thanks.